Hi everyone. Good evening to all of you. I hope I'm visible to all of you people and audible as well. Yeah, hi.
Yes.
Good evening, Shivali. Good evening, Yokesh. Okay, without further ado, we will start because this is a session during a different timing, and I think most of the people in your batch, which is around 30, out of which 20 I see, it's good actually. Like many of you people have tried to join. That's a good thing. And thank you for joining. This is a session. This is going to be a very interesting session on Gen AI. And there are many applications to it. We will start and we will try to see how much time it takes. And I will open it after I wind up or in between also for questions. So if at all you have any questions, we'll keep it to this session itself. We will not keep it to any previous sessions as of now. Any other questions that you may have or you had that we can take on the Saturday session as usual, right? Okay, so again, good evening and thanks for joining. I will start sharing my screen. All right, so Gen AI as a topic, right? I'm not sure how many of you have explored Gen AI, how many of you people are trying to figure out what exactly is Gen AI, and you have already been doing multiple prompts in Gen AI. So Gen AI is also called like this that we are right now doing. Gen AI is also called conversational AI. It's like you can interact with a tool like when we use computers, right? Like right now I'm using a computer. When we use a computer, we can instruct a computer to open a file. I can instruct with the help of clicks, or I can just go to this Windows and I can instruct something. So let's say I'm looking forward to uninstall any application. So I can just write uninstall and I'll go and I will get into the control panel and then I will be able to see there is uninstall, right? So computer always performs an instruction that you try to perform, right? That you want to act. Similarly, is Gen AI or conversational AI, or it is even more dynamic in nature. The dynamics are faster, okay, or I would say it's more dynamic in nature. What is Gen AI basically? Generative AI. Gen is generative. Now, generative AI is you are giving a prompt. Now, what is a prompt? Prompt is writing something. Let's say you are willing to write, you are willing to create a content. That content is an image content. It's an image. I will conceptualize an image. Let's say someone riding a bike on the mountains, right? And the sun is very, very high. And at the same point of time, he is wearing the bike suit. So a person who is riding a bike, wearing a bike suit, and the sun is very high, the sun is very bright, and he is in the mountains. Now, if you technically go Google or you go any search engine, you search for it, biker riding on the mountains. So while you write biker riding on the mountain, you will be able to get a few images, right? But at the same point, you see here, most of them is not wearing a biking suit, right? And mostly it shows up. No, the sun is not high in most of the images, right? So how do you make sure that you create such kind of an image? So one way is to go have a biker go there and then do a shooting, right? You can shoot it, and as you shoot it, you will be able to generate as many images as you want because you have a biker, you have an actor. I mean, the biker is the actor, and then you also have everything. Maybe the sun would also be high that day. But if you don't want to shoot it, then what do you do? Then you can use generative AI or Gen AI. With the help of Gen AI, you are able to create a certain amount of image or a certain level of image proficiency, which is not also proficiency, a certain image of image generation. It's like you're generating images, exactly something that I told, right? In with the help of Gen AI, you can create text-based content. Text-based contents have many use cases. We'll go and explore those use cases. Then text-based content, such as when you are looking forward to any web page, right? Let's say you write here Aprilia RS457. Now Aprilia RS457 is a bike, right? It's kind of super bike. If I go to this page, Aprilia, if this web page for Aprilia, you see there is content here, right? And there is a significant amount of content. These are all contents like technical content or marketing content. You can generate a huge portion of this content with the help of AI. So content as in this text piece I am specifically talking about. Social media captions can be written with the help of generative AI. Product pages like this itself is a product page, or even product pages on Amazon. Now, if you go to Amazon.in and there you get into any mobile product or any product for that matter, it's a smartphone, and you see there is a there is quite amount of content, right? Besides the feature, these are called specs. Of course, it's provided by the manufacturer, and people who are into technology, they know. But the other contents like marketing contents, okay, all of it can be created with the help of Gen AI, right? Not only that, many a times you want to create a story, many a times you want to write a song, many a times you want to create an essay. Okay, you can, or ebooks for that matter. You want to create ebooks. If I go Amazon or I just go Google and type ebooks on digital marketing, right? Or ebooks on anything for that matter, you would be able to see there are many ebooks, right? There are these many ebooks. Let's go to Kindle, Amazon, and you see there are many ebooks out there. You can create an ebook with the help of Chat GPT or with the help of Gen AI. Now, what are the Gen AI tools out there? Now, there are three types of Gen AI that we'll be seeing as a use case tonight. One is a text-based Gen AI. Okay, text-based Gen AI is you give a text prompt, your output itself is a text. Okay, that's a text-based Gen AI. These kind of tools can be Chat GPT, Gemini, Quillbot, Copilot, that is MS Copilot. ChatGPT is a tool by OpenAI. If you know OpenAI, anything that you don't know, you can ask me right after. If you know OpenAI, OpenAI itself is a parent organization, and OpenAI developed ChatGPT. Then Gemini. Gemini is developed by Google. Then comes Quillbot and Copilot. Now, Copilot is developed by Microsoft. Then we will also see text to image. There are many prompts that you can just input the prompt and you will be able to get image outputs. You have provided a text prompt like this biker biking on the mountain and while the sun is very high. So you just give this prompt and a image would be generated, such as DALI 2 is a platform offered by OpenAI that itself is a Gen AI platform for text to image. Then Midjourney is another Gen AI platform. Night Cafe Creator is another example. Picasso is another example. There are more platforms. Then text to video generator. Now, here what is happening? You want to generate a video, a full-fledged video. It can be 2 seconds, it can be 20 seconds, it can be 2 minutes also. You want to generate a video, and that video, as you are generating, you don't want to shoot that video, okay, and you want to do it with the help of Gen AI. While you want to do it with the help of Gen AI, you need to understand these are the tools can be used like DALI 2, okay, then Night Cafe Creator, Sora AI, Syllabi, etc., etc. Okay. Now, if you explore, and also in video is there, okay. If you explore now, what we will do, we'll go ahead and we'll pick each at a time the right tools for you can use, and we will explore. I have a question as in, sir, these tools are free or they? Okay, absolutely good question. So these tools are not free. Most of the tools, if not all the tools, most of the tools are paid tools. These are not free tools. Now, but you don't need to bother much because in the session we will do most of it, but we will do it with the help of free tools. We will try to, we have a GPT-4, we have a mid journey and all, but we are not showing it. The reason I'll tell you, because most of you people are not going to buy one, most of you people are not going to purchase one, therefore we have decided to show it to the beta versions, or the versions that you can explore. Every AI that you see, image AI or text AI, now text AI is more matured than image AI, wherein video AI is less matured than image AI. So image AI is matured than video AI. Text AI is matured than image AI. Therefore, mostly with every AI platform or with every AI algorithmic models, we are the people, not we, but the people who are working, it's still evolving. It's not yet fully evolved. There are gaps when it comes to text AI. There are gaps when it comes to image AI. Okay. There are huge gaps when it comes to video AI also, image AI also, text AI also, significant gaps, really severe gaps. Now we'll go one at a time and we will explore. Now I have several prompts here. I will explain you what is a prompt. I have 10 prompts for image. Let's see how many we can explore. I have some experimental prompts also that we will explore further. I have prompts pertaining to use cases of text AI, different use cases. I think I have around 24, yeah, 25 use cases I have. So we will see like how many use cases we can see. Not necessarily we need to explore all use cases, because if you understand uh, uh, how the use cases are into action, you will be able to perform most of the use cases. We will also, I have created 5 use case for, or not a use case, 5 prompts for text to video. We'll try to explore. Video takes more time to be generated, so we'll see like how many we can do at a time. So let's go on. The very first thing and the easiest thing that we will explore is uh, chat GPT. Okay, now chat GPT, to explore chat GPT, it's a not complicated tool. It's a very simple tool. It's as simple as 1 + 1 2, right? You can just go write chat GPT and you will be able to see this option, right? The first link would be a chat GPT link, right? Go to chat GPT. If anyone have not used it, you are using it for the very first time, then this is what you will get to see. You won't get this page, you will get the sign up page. You will get into introducing chat gpt. Click on then chat gpt, and then you will not have this page, but you will have another page which will ask you to sign up. Sign up is very simple. It's a Gmail sign up. So if you have a Gmail, you can simply sign up. If you have any problem, let me know. I'll help you doing that. But it's a very simple sign up. You can just sign up with the help of your Gmail. The moment you get into chat gpt, you need to see, you would be able to see what is the model that you are using. You can see there are two models. One is a gpt 3.5, one is a gpt-4. Gpt-4 is a paid model, wherein gpt 3.5 is a free model. Now when it comes to gpt-4, what is the special thing that you are getting, as in you are paying for it? So when it comes to GPT-4, it charges you $20 a month, and it tells that it is more accurate. So DALI itself is a tool by OpenAI. Okay, so as DALI is a tool by OpenAI, GPT, you can use DALI. You don't need to worry. I will show you other tools right now for images, which are absolutely free. It is telling you can upload content. GPT 305, you can't upload content. Okay, GPT 4, you can upload content. GPT 3.5 would not give you as accurate, I won't say accurate, but as prominent results as GPT 4. Therefore they are telling subscribing to GPT 4 can be useful. Then there is a teams account also. With the help of the teams account, you will be able to see multiple people can use GPT at the same time. We will go and we will explore more about GPT. Now, GPT, as you see, there is this history. Okay, you can see here one, two, three, four. Okay, 4 of the items are actually something that I have been doing prompts on, or I have been asking about. You would be able to see if you are, whenever you are willing to create more prompts, you can just click on new. You will be able to have more chats, right? You can just slide it this side to hide the sidebar. Just take a close look here. Help me study, write a Python script, create morning routine, explain nostalgia. Okay. So what and all it can do? This tool can work on descriptive content. This tool can work on analysis. Now, analysis is not as significant as a human being does. I work as an analyst. The way I analyze or the way the team analyzes, the senior people analyzes, right? Of course, it doesn't do that level of analysis, but it can perform a certain analysis task, not analytical task, but analysis task. Often, let's give it to analysis task. It can give you some mind maps. It can give you some scheduling options. It can give you idea generation. You can generate different kind of ideas. You can create content, text content like blog content, essays, articles, review content, feedbacks, etc., etc. Many things you can do. And then it can help you focus on a certain thing, like help me study vocabulary for an exam. Now, if you tap into help me study, what will happen is it will help you with different items that you are looking for to give a prompt to and explore. Let's do it. I think while we do it, you will understand. You are on this screen. Now, right after that, you will be able to see this thing like message chat GPT. Now, message chat GPT is prompt. This is a prompt. What is this now? You need to write what you want. You need to write what you want. I will start with a very simple prompt to those people who have never ever used an AI tool, to those people or an AI model. So you can just write hi ChatGPT, or you can just write hi, and you would be able to see it will revert you back. Hey there, how is your day going? This is why it's a conversational AI. Okay, you can literally have a simple chat. I will first do 1 minute of very simple chat. I am keeping well. How are you? See, now it will tell see what's on your mind today. That means, how can I help you? So you can have a conversation. Of course, it's not a conversation pertaining to emotions, it's a conversation pertaining to logic. It's a conversation pertaining to some action items or some task that you want to fulfill. Let's see the kind of use cases of this tool. If you head over to this sheet, I will share this sheet with you people. I have written several use cases, okay, such as proposal generation, course material module creation, analytics image generation, normal image generation, language translation, email sequence creation, caption writing, partnership idea discussion, coding example interpretation, schema data writing, humorous content, joke generation, so many. There are 25 of them. Okay. Proofreading, survey quiz creation, video script creation, etc. etc. Before I jump into any of these use cases, we will explore a couple of such use cases. But before even I jump into any of these use cases, I would like to tell you GPT is not the only text based AI model. There are efficient AI models like GPT, such as Gemini. Gemini is one of my favorite. Okay. If you go Gemini or Gemini, you will be able to log into through your Gmail account. Again, it is purely through your Gmail account. You don't end up paying anything. Gemini has got a similar architecture. Gemini has got a similar navigation. Here is the prompt area. Here is a Gemini switch to upgrade. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to a better model of AI with by giving 1,950. That means around 2,100 or something, 2,000 rupees per month. Okay, is it only the one? No, there are more. So there is something called Copilot. There is something called Copilot. Copilot is something from Microsoft. Okay, it is also a good one. It's quite an efficient tool. I have liked using this one. It's quite an efficient tool. This is called Copilot. The navigational aspect is kind of same in both the platforms. Okay, it's not very complicated. We will focus on GPT, but you can just go explore Gemini. It's same more or less. Everything is under the same model. Okay, or it's on the same model. It's not a different model. You can go explore any of the tools. Okay, we will focus on GPT right now. We'll start with a very simple use case, that is translation. And to do a translation, we need to generate a content. So we'll explore two use cases at a time. So let's go to my use case sheet. Okay, and let's create okay, let's create an email, not a sequence. I'll come to a sequence. Let's create an email for a product. Let's pick a product immediately. That product can be, uh, let's say, a laptop. लैपटॉप लैपटॉप नहीं लिखेंगे, लिखेंगे HP और गैलेक्सी बुक i7. Let's get into the product. Let's say this product. Now for this product, we will create a product copy. See how I will, no, for this product, we will create a email, a marketing email. So I will write, this is now a prompt. Prompts are basic English language conversation. The simpler you can write it or the detailed you can write it, the better prompt it is. So I will write, I am, or I want to, sorry, I want to create an email or marketing email, product marketing email. It is about a laptop. Now I'll give certain details about the laptop because that's important. Without the details, it won't move. It is unable to create content. The details are mandatory. Okay, it's called Galaxy Book 4. Galaxy Book 4. Okay. The major features are, let's highlight a few major features. Let's not get into so much of detail. My idea is to give you an understanding at a very broader level. So I would go for specs. Yeah, let's copy these specs. Oh no, even here it would be better, is it? This is good. This is kind of copy plus spec also, but copy we don't need. We need the specs only. I will drop the specs. The features specs are, now see, I will quickly bullet the specs. Processor 13 gen, processor this, memory 16 GB, storage 15 GB, SSD, additional slot expandable up to 1 TB, Irish XC graphics, OS is there. Okay, it's pre-installed software, home, pre-installed software, this, Galaxy ecosystem apps. All right. Now I will write, see what I have done. I have provided a prompt that is, I want to create a product marketing email. You know what is a product marketing email? Often you want to buy, let's say this product, okay? And you have gotten into Samsung.com or you have gotten into Amazon.com, but you didn't end up buying. Now Samsung or Amazon is going to send you this email that we saw you recently came in, but you didn't buy, or they know your email ID, you inquired somewhere and then they are sending it to you. So this kind of an email we need to do our marketing. So the major feature specs are these and all. Now I will write, create a marketing email focusing on the power of this product, three best use cases, three best use for professionals, and the idea is this person inquired about this product but yet not purchased. You understood? This is a prompt. I will write one more thing. No, that's fine. So, what is, sorry, I just overlapped. Yeah, here the features would be, yeah, now fine. So let's hit this prompt. You need to click on enter, or you can just click on this and it will create. See, now it's creating the content. That is a text content. So subject, elevate your professional game with Galaxy Book 4 from Samsung. Dear customer, now this has to be the name. While you copy paste it to your email marketing tool, the name has to be there. Are you looking for a laptop that can keep up with your demanding professional needs? Look no farther than the Samsung Galaxy 4, powered by 13 Gen Intel Core i7 processor. This laptop delivers exceptional performance. Now, here are the three compelling reasons why you should buy: powerful performance, effortless productivity, seamless integration. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your professional game. To learn more about the book, explore our latest offers. Now, the moment you put it here, you can put the call to action, or in between you can put the call to action, right? Now this email is ready. This is a text based AI. With the help of this AI, now you can just go back to your Gmail, or your email marketing tool. There are a couple of email marketing tools such as Mailchimp is there. Okay, Mailchimp is there. Then there is Brevo, then there is HubSpot, right? There are many email marketing tools. There is HubSpot. If you write HubSpot email marketing, there are HubSpot email marketing. You will be able to pick any tool and you can launch a campaign like a those people who recently inquired about it. You have hundreds of those email IDs. Pump into it and just launch it. Now, this is just one use, right, of creating one email. It can create any kind of email. Let's say you are feeling sick. Now, I won't dilute this thread. I will create a new thread because I need to come back to this thread to show you something interesting. So what I would do here is, let's say it can create many kind of email. Let's say you want to write a sick leave email, or you want to write an email for requesting the certificate to 100x, right? So I will write, I recently completed the digital marketing course from 100x learners, and my certificate is, or certification, no, let's certificate is due. I have taken the exam and passed. Write an email for me, 200x learners, requesting the certificate on priority, as I am appearing to interviews or job interviews. See, it will create the email like literally over the snap. See, subject request for digital marketing course certificate on priority. I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to request the issuance of my digital marketing course certificate from 100x learners. I recently completed the course, passed the exam, and now I am preparing for a job interview where the certificate would be beneficial. Could you please expedite this process if issuing the certificate? Your prompt assistance, yeah, matters a lot. Thank you for your attention. And so now you can, it's taking my name because it knows I have updated it, but for you, you need to change it. So the moment you copy paste it, you can tweak some things, right? You can tweak a certain thing. Let's go back to that one. Now you created this content about an email. Now, if you know about drip email campaigns, right? Drip campaigns are, you want to sell a product, okay, or you want to sell a service, whatever you want to sell. You have, let's say, 5 lakhs people, 5 lakhs email ID, or 10 lakhs email ID. There can be a drip campaign. You know what is a drip campaign? Drip campaign is something wherein you deliver sequential email. Okay, email over sequence. Every week, two emails, like a reminder. Whoever ends up purchasing, you loop them into the next thread That is an assistant thread. Let's say you have purchased my product. I will remove you from the marketing list. I will loop you in customer assistant list. So if you need any assistance, if you need any help, I can help you further because you have ended up purchasing my product. That's the idea. How do you create these marketing drip campaigns? The way we created, we strategize, we plan, and eventually create, right? That is a healthier way. But to do some homework, to have some idea, you can also use Gen AI, such as now I will write, I want to create a drip campaign or drip email campaign or email drip campaign for this product as I have uh, 5 lakhs prospects who can be interested to buy this product, this PC, to buy this PC, or to buy this laptop, who can be interested to buy this laptop. I want to strategize it for a quarter or 3 months. Write me a drip campaign plan. See, it will write you a drip campaign plan now. Here is a 3-month email marketing drip campaign plan to engage 5 lakh prospects interested in Samsung Galaxy Book 4. That's the product name. So month 1, introduction of features. Email 1, introduction to Galaxy Book. These are all the emails in the drip that you are going to share. Month 2, professional use cases. Month 3, exclusive offers and testimonials. Now, how many email subjects has it created? 5 plus 5 plus 5. Every month, 5 emails. It's actually efficient. You would say, but Som, I want to create every month 10 emails. No worries. You can just give a continuation prompt. It's called a continuity prompt. You can write, I want to create 10 emails. Let's not do 10, it's actually too much. 6 emails every month. The idea is same. Let's go ahead. Now see, instead of 5, it will create 6. It will deliver you one more idea of content. And here we go. Email 6, email 6, email 6. Now you might be confused. Okay, I got the plan, though it's not a concrete plan. There is a lot more work, but you have got like a very scratch off. How do I implement it? If you don't know email marketing tools, the technology, we call it MarTech, marketing technology for email marketing, you won't be able to implement it. But to plan it or to generate the content that you want to implement, you can take help. Like introduction to the Galaxy Book, highlighting its key features and specifications. Now, you need this email, right? You need images also. Images you can pick up from your own sheet or your own directory, your own stock that you have images for your product. But to create the text AI, copy this. Now I will just give another prompt. Write the write this email. It knows a certain amount of specs. You would say, but Som, these specs are not sufficient enough. I want to feed in more specs. It's not at all a problem. You can write like this. Before we start with writing the drip campaign emails, I want you to update memory with the right details or specs about the product. Now, while you write it, go back and copy the most potential specs or most powerful specs of the product. Whatever is a more powerful spec, let's say these are the more powerful spec of the product. Drop it over here. You must have it somewhere because product का spec तो आपके पास रहेगा. Content, marketing content है कि literature content है वो आपको create करना पड़ेगा. Now you can write it. Don't generate anything. Confirm you understood. See, it will give you a prompt back that it has an understanding about what you are chatting. See, got it. The memory details for Samsung have been updated as per your specification. Let's proceed on crafting drip emails. Now, we will craft one right now. So let's craft from the middle of it. Highlight the best use cases for professional, example, graphic designer, business analytics, programming. Copy it. So, right, let's create this email. Every email you create, of course, you need to scrutiny it and further you need to implement in the email marketing tool. See, maximize your potential. 3 best use cases for professionals with Galaxy Book 4. This email you are sending to those who are most likely to buy your product. Are you looking forward to elevate professional capabilities? Now, here it talks about graphic designer, business analytics, programming folks, and so on and so forth. Once this email is created, you can again use this email. Now, use what and all you could see, starting from creating a simple email, okay, or a marketing email using dedicated spec of a product. It can also create a drip campaign strategy. Now, this drip campaign that you see here, it's not a very complicated one. You can actually train your GPT or train your AI to create complicated planning also. The more detailed prompt you do, such as what we did here, you could see that it had a 5 emails per drip, right? We told do 6 emails per drip, and it could do that, right? If you wish to do more changes, right, in this drip, focus on prospects who are digital marketers. In this drip, focus on prospects who are business analysts. That way, you can train your AI, and it will give you outputs as per your expectations. Now, you saw one or three cases for emails. Let's go to some other cases. Product page creation and for e-commerce, right? So for the same product, it has the dedicated highlights. But if you don't have a landing page, in this case, of course, Samsung has a landing page. But for your product, let's say it is your product, you don't have a landing page. Can you create a landing page with the help of Chat GPT? Development, you can't create. Content, can you create? You can create the content. So let's do it. First thing that you want to write is, I want to create a landing page for this product, layer the content or layer the idea of what all content I can put in the landing page. Let's first of all layer the landing page's content. There should be a hero shot or hero image or a video. You have learned it all in your classes. Product overview, key features, professional use case, benefits of professional, specifications, Galaxy ecosystem integration, customer testimonial, spatial offers, call to action, contact information, FAQ, trust signal, social proof, and footer. Most of these items GPT can help you create. Most of these items GPT can help you create. Some of these items, of course, you need to. I will show you. So we will take reference of the numbers. We will go ahead and we will write, help me creating the below. What and all it can create? It can create a hero image. No, it can't create. So it can create a product overview, 2, key features, 3, professional use cases, 4, बेनिफिट्स, स्पेसिफिकेशंस, ये सारे कंटेंट जो बना सकते हैं है जीपीटी, आप जीपीटी से बना लो. जो जीपीटी नहीं बनाएगा वो आपको कस्टमर टेस्टिमोनियल जीपीटी कांट मेक. Dummy testimonial it can make, but real testimonial it can't make. Special offers it can't make. You can take GPT's idea, of course. We will do it after this prompt. Then call to action ho gaya. Call to action bhi you can do. GPT contact information also. FAQ, that is 12. Trust signals, that is that GPT can't make. Yeah. So let's give this prompt now. Help me creating the below. Now take a look. I have just written the numbers, right? It will create the dedicated prompt here. Okay, I have some chats in this window. Vishwajit is telling, yeah, thanks, Vishwajit. Ankush is telling how long this class will be. This class would be till 9 maximum, maximum till 9. Okay, now we have the number two, that is product overview. We have key features. We have professional use cases. We have benefits. We have specifications, ecosystem, FAQs. Now, each of these, let's say we'll do one. Each of these, such as benefits for professional, you want an enhanced content, you want a lengthier content. Now just copy this item. Now drop this item over here, right? Write a full body content on this. Now, while you write a full body content on this, let's say you are focusing on a certain keyword. You remember SEO, right? Search engine optimization. So what would be the keyword? The keyword would be the primary product, right? The keyword would be the primary product. Let's pick up. I would tell it to use these as a keyword primarily. I will show you. Make sure to use below keywords. So you can even prompt keywords while asking it to generate content. So Samsung Galaxy Book 3 as a keyword, then Intel 13th Gen 7 Evo, ये सब ये सब जरूरत नहीं है. ये कौन सा है? की फीचर्स, हाँ ये सब जरूरत है. सुपर एमोलेड, yeah, let's keep these as a keyword. Now see the magic here. It will create the entire content. See, now it's creating like a marketing content, yet technical. So elevate, you experience a new level of productivity and creativity with Samsung Galaxy Book 3 360 powered by the, see, it's using the keyword. Boosted productivity पे भी ये देखो ये keyword use कर रहा है यहाँ पे. Enhanced creativity पे भी देखो फिर से keyword है. यहाँ पे फिर से keyword है. So it is hearing you out and see how big is the content. You don't have to copy paste the whole. You can pick up what you like. You can tailor it. You can write it farther that you don't like. If you don't like it at all, you can regenerate, right? What else? Now accordingly, you can keep on creating the content till you are happy with your landing page content. Then you go back to Elementor and WordPress and you build your landing page. What else it can do besides creating landing pages, email marketing, or email creation, generation? It don't do the marketing, it will do generate, help you generate the content to an extent. It can do social media caption writing. It's a very simple thing. So let's say it knows about your brand. Now, one thing you should understand, this tool, that is a GPT, has a memory. GPT has a memory. Okay. Gemini doesn't have a memory yet. GPT has a memory. When I say GPT has a memory, you will be able to see it remembers you. I will show you an example. I'll go to a new chat. So far, I didn't talk about myself, right? See, I will say, because I'm logged in and I have been training this. मैं तब से यूज कर रहा हूँ जब से ये आया है ओके मार्केट पे. तो अभी लिखेंगे you already know my professional background. Can you write a 200-word summary with my name? See, and here you go. It is, see, I didn't tell it anything as such right now. I have, of course, told it back. अभी मैंने कुछ नहीं बताया. Somin is a seasoned digital marketing professional with wealth of experience spanning various roles, and it goes on and on. What is the meaning? The meaning is it remembers. I will give you another example. I lead marketing initiative for a company. So the name is Party Hunt. I will write, you know, Party Hunt. Can you write a caption for us for LinkedIn as we are posting a content on Party Hunt is an app that is into music, events, parties, rave parties, underground parties, etc. So it would be a little different topic to post. So let's say we are posting on Holi, okay, on Holi. It should be relevant to the brand. Understand, right? As per your brand, you would write caption. So, Party Hunt, I just told, see, memory updated. Party Hunt, can you write a caption for us for LinkedIn as we are posting a content on Holi? See, add a splash of colors to your celebrations with Party Hunt this Holi. Take a look. Let's make this festival colors more vibrant, memorable with a wide range of party essentials. I would tailor it a little bit. See, I will write include crux of our brand messaging. Include the crux of our brand messaging. Okay, spelling alpha. Yeah. Now it is talking about more decoration supplies. Now I will write add the dance event and festive element there. You see, you can constantly keep on editing. See, get ready to dance the vibrant tunes of Holi with our curated selection of party supplies. You can further tailor things. Let's see what else it does. Coding. Now, let's say you, for an example, yeah, Shalini, you have a point? No. Okay. Okay, so now, अभी हम लोगों ने एक mail, अभी you can delete these also. Huh? See, I'll right click and delete it. We were doing some mail threads, right? And on the mail threads, I have this dedicated email drip. Now, I will write for this email. Where is the email? Yeah, this email subject to this. I will create an HTML page for this. So it can perform certain amount of coding task also. You can create HTML pages and other pages also, PHP also. I want to convert this email to an HTML page. Convert it to an HTML page. I'll drop this and hit enter. Now see, it will write HTML code for you. If you copy it and post it to not post, upload it to the server, it will crawl and index as a HTML page. I think some of you know HTML. So you see head, body, ये सब HTML के syntax है. यहाँ पे HTML code they are provided. You can copy this code and you can use it as an HTML file, right? Let's say you don't know, or you are using this to copy paste in an HTML template. Let me give you more complicated of a prompt. So I will write this below email. I'm using, guys, please turn off your mic unless you want to speak. Suguna, this below email. So Suguna, please unmute, please mute yourself. This below email I am using for an HTML email template on MailChimp. Help me formatting it accordingly. To format email for MailChimp, you need to add some additional HTML markup and structure styling. ये रहा. I don't know if you people know email marketing tools or such. It's not an email marketing tool class. I'm just showing you the potential. So see, it is helping you with the markups that you need to do. देखो, email body created हो रहा है यहाँ पे. Can you see the use case for professional? ये पूरा email है. ये पूरा convert होगा HTML पे. हो चुका है. This can now you use for your HTML email template. See, replace your, it's just an instruction. वहां पे your site था, वो अपना correct site होना चाहिए. Let me show you few more things. Very interesting prompts now. Let's say you are looking for a very specific answer. Okay, such as you want to upload your sitemaps. You all know sitemaps, right? We did it in the class in search engine optimization. You want to upload sitemaps and you don't know how to upload sitemaps. You can do YouTube, you can go refer to the class, you can go YouTube, you can go Google, you can also see GPT or Gemini. It will often give you a very crisp answer. Okay, let's see. I don't know how to upload a sitemap. How can I upload a sitemap for a WordPress based website? Now take a look. It will give you a step-by-step guide. Take a look. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Generate the sitemap. If you haven't already generated sitemap, you can use a plugin like you have done it. योस्ट एसईओ और गूगल एक्सएमएल, ये भी आप लोगों ने किया है. हमने गूगल एक्सएमएल किया है, हमने एक्सएमएल जनरेटर किया, हम लोगों ने रैंक मैप किया टू जनरेट साइट मैप ऑन वर्डप्रेस. Access your WordPress dashboard, log into your WordPress admin dashboard, install and activate the sitemap plugin, and it is the process to sitemap plugin. Configure the sitemap plugin, it is the process. Generate, retrieves, ये भी आप लोगों ने किया, we did it in the class. Submit your sitemap on Google Search Console. We did it in the class. Verify sitemap submission. Check sitemap status. So you can ask very specific question. It can train you on something. Of course, not like a human trainer, but you need to do a lot of homework. Of course, जैसे आज भी आप करते हो, अगर YouTube से कुछ सीखते हो, अगर Google से कुछ सीखते हो, लेकिन यहाँ पे भी आप सीख सकते हो. Let me give you a hint of that. I will write. I want to learn. I want to learn Figma for UI UX designing. Now it is for me. Okay, for me it won't work. So I am a student of marketing, rather digital marketing. What should be my path or learning path to this? See, it will create a learning path for you. Take a look. Step by step, basics of UI UX understanding. Introduction to Figma. Design fundamentals, learn about typography, color theory, layout. ये सब बात कर रहे थे हम लोग, याद है Canva के क्लास में. These are essential for creating visually appealing content. Creating UI elements. Now, it is yet not very clear. Let me show you. Can we make it as a project plan? I don't know how many of you know a project plan. You will get to see that. Can we make it as a project plan? And give a timeline and give a timeline. Let's see. See, week 1 to 2, basic of UI UX design. Week 3 to 4, the introduction to Figma. Week 5 to 6. Not only that, to make it more comfortable, what I will do is, can you put it as a table format? So 17 weeks. You are taking 17 weeks to finish this off. You can tailor it further. ये देखो, ये table format पे आ गया. 1 to 2 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, 5 to 6 weeks. So weeks, topics, tasks. This is how you can use GPT. Let me show you some more use cases before we move on to Gen AI image. Okay. Translation now. See the magic. It's really very good. I will go back to the email that we generated. Okay. यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हैं क्या? यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हैं हाँ. So let's see the crowd. So most of the crowd is Hindi, Telugu, also other language speaking, right? So let's do it for Telugu. Okay, one of my favorite languages as well as this. I like Telugu people more. So we will say that this one project plan, UI UX designing, I will write. Now let's say I am creating it from a Telugu friend. Okay. Not necessarily that it has to be in Telugu, just to show you. It can do language translation, project plan XYZ. I want to translate to Telugu. See, only the project plan it will translate it to Telugu. So the if at all there are many Telugu speakers, you can understand. Of course, there would be a certain mismatch. There would be a certain wrongly used words that is there in any translation, unless a human is doing it. Because while they translate, then they tweak the words also. Otherwise, mostly it would be correct. So it's little slow while translating this big of a content, but it's translating to a different language. It can do it in any language. It can do it in Hindi, it can do it in Tamil, it can do it in Urdu, any language. What else? Proposal generation. This is very okay. Proposal generation नहीं ये तो हम लोग इस पे करेंगे और एक पे करेंगे. Hmm, या वीडियो स्क्रिप्ट देखेंगे अभी और वीडियो स्क्रिप्ट के साथ साथ प्रपोजल जनरेशन देखेंगे बिकॉज दीज टू आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सो आई विल डिलीट इट नाउ ऑलराइट नाउ let's first understand proposal generation. So proposal generation, uh, video script, these two are important. Okay, by the way, you can do poems also and all. See, these are very basic things, so I'm not get into all of that. It's not very efficient. Okay, so what I was saying, proposal and okay. So while clients come right to you, you need to share proposals. Such as if you see for different clients, I have different proposals, right? So if you see this one, now I have done their website. So this is a website proposal. One way is you write it. Okay, of course we write it, we understand and we write it. The other way is you make sure that you are willing to take some help, and then further you are going to deliver the proposal. So yeah, we will do text to image, right, in some time. Text to video also will do. You need to hold. Okay, so hold your horses. We will do everything. So I would give a clarity that I want to create a proposal. So I want to create a proposal for a website designing project. The scope of work is creating 10 major pages or web pages for a yoga institute. Okay. Help me. We are providing certain uh, complementary or inclusive services such as on page SEO, Google business page creation, and other necessary site create the proposal where the total cost is going to be 50K, whereas 5K for, no, 4.5K for each page, and remaining for e-commerce payment gateway setup. See, of course, it will generate a proposal, but you need to tweak it and you need to correct it as per your requirement. So now, website designing for Yoga Institute. So now it has got a scope of work, what and all you are creating. These are the pages it has considered. You can correct it. On-page SEO, Google Business Page, site interactions, integrations, e-commerce payment gateway, timeline. It has given a timeline. You need to correct it. You need to write what is the timeline, terms and conditions, and closing. It can be further fine-tuned. I'll show you a prompt to do that. So we can write formatting can improve. Start with, or rather, introduction. So I am now giving it the formatting, scope of work, project inclusives or inclusive, project timeline, 2 months, payment. Now see, it will format it completely the way I said. So first it has introduction, then scope of work, then project inclusive, project timeline. Project inclusive पे गलत किया, but you can further prompt it like project inclusive should include, and you can make sure what and all it will include. Or you can even keep it this way and write it payment rather project. You can copy and use it few fine tunes you can do. So this is one case in which you can use a Gen AI. I mean, these are some of the cases. I have 25 cases here, mostly self-explanatory cases. You can just explore it when it comes to you seeing this. Now, there is another one that is called text to image AI. Okay. What do you use in text to image AI? Here also I have many prompts, okay, that I have created. So in text to image AI, there are several tools, but we will use a tool that's a free tool, and that name is image. So image creator AI, Microsoft. This is free. Now I have a Microsoft subscription. Okay, that's why it is. I mean, my Windows is original. Okay, I am using a Windows 20 original. Okay, if your Windows is pirated, I am not sure if it would be useful. It would be useful if you just log in. It would be useful if you just log in. Okay, it may not be useful if you don't log in. Okay, take a look at it. So sign out, try out few prompts. You can see you can create as good as these images or this types of images when it comes to prompts. Let's do some custom prompt. How do you custom prompt? Click on this one, click on this prompt section. Now you can prompt literally anything and everything here. Okay, try to be less so don't try to give prompts that are vulgar, or don't try to give prompts that are very case sensitive. So you can give it not case, but that are not appropriate. So try to give prompts that are quite prominent and sensible. So I will start giving prompts. I have kept some prompts. To learn prompt, you can just click on any and you will be able to learn it further. So let's start. So sunset over a tranquil lake. Describe the scene of a sun setting over a calm lake with warm hues reflecting on the water, right? Copy this. You can write these prompts. Let's say you are unable to write, you can just write anything that comes to your head. So I am looking forward to a image that is sunset over a tranquil lake, right? And I have described the prompt a little bit. Click on generate. It may take some time. This is not absolutely free also. It works on like credits. So if you see, yeah, see 13 credits. Okay. So you can get Copilot Pro and boost your credits, but more or less, uh, you will be able to explore it in the free version. It's quite a good tool. See, I used it, so one credit lost. Now see, these are the images. Okay, these are the images. So sunset over a tranquil lake. सही लग रहा है देखो. You can download it. Let's download. You can download each of them, or you can download any that you wish to keep. See, you can use it on your Instagram. You can use it on anywhere for that matter. Now, click on edit. Now, this is Microsoft Designer editing tool. Here you can edit this. We will not do editing because we have done Canva. You can go to that. You can edit here also. It's not any dedicated AI edit. It's just not just an, but it's an editing tool. That's all. There are a couple of types of editing that you can do. You can add a text also. All of that you can do. And here are more generative ideas. See, how will it be put forward? We will not do that. We'll go back to AI prompts. So now, next prompt, let's try out something that I was telling. So a biker wearing biker riding his motorbike in the on the mountain, wearing a biking suit and helmet when the sun is bright. Let's generate. It would be generated, another credit would be used. See, now these are better images than what we are getting in Google. So a biker is there riding bike also. It's on the mountain also, wearing a helmet and a biker suit. You want a different version of it, you can go ahead and just tweak the prompt. You can write, it's a far view. Okay. Or you can write, it's a wide angle view. It should be wide angle view of the biker. We'll explore a few more prompts, and then I'll tell you more options. I can actually share you all the tool names. See, technically speaking, most of the tools are paid tools. Okay. See, these are now wide angle views. These are far better than what you had. Let's explore a few more. Now we'll go back. I have written some here. I have some very complicated prompts. Okay. Steampunk sidekick, or let's say floating island in the sky. Yeah. So let's see, floating island in the sky. There is a floating island in the sky. Describe a breathtaking landscape where the island float among the clouds, connected by bridges or magical pathways. Let's see, these are like fantasy images. Okay. See, nice one. Okay. You can download any of them. So floating island. Okay, magical pathway. This is the magical pathway. Clouds are there. Okay, breathtaking image. Bridges are connecting it. Let's write something else. Let's say a car smiling. I'm not sure if it would work. A car smiling while no, it can't show. No, it can't show because okay, let's do a car smiling. Yeah, anyone wants to talk? Okay. This is a very small prompt actually. Not sure if it would work. We'll try another one. You can try these ones. You can write also. So, city of Mayfork. Yeah, ancient temple hidden in the jungle. Picture of a mysterious temple covered in vines and surrounded by lush foliage and waiting to reveal its secret. So it's more like again another fantasy item. All this foliage and yeah, see this is working also. So small prompts are working well. So let's create a mysterious temple image hidden in the jungle. No, you don't regain credits. You have to subscribe to a pro. That's a thing. See, we'll try another one before we move to video. Video will be able to do two, I think, because video takes more time. So yeah, time traveling train station. Envision a vintage train station where trains depart different eras. Yeah, steam locomotives alongside sleek, futuristic trains. Super. Let's create it. To know more about prompts, like besides the prompts that you have there, you can explore these also. A cat sleeping, a sleeping cat lying in the sunlight on a windowsill in midday, retro color palette. So you can just explore these. You will be able to understand. See, something that we created. So we said super fast train. Yeah, this is a bullet train. It's not actually that great, but still good. It's not that great actually. It's not that great like the other one. So yeah, you need to experiment with this, like which one is coming out to be better. Now there are many tools. Okay, there is something called Picasso. We'll go to Picasso. Yeah, this one, Picasso AI drawing. This is a paid tool again. Like credits go out in this tool super fast. It doesn't even wait give you 5 minutes also. Like credits are super fast. Credit will exhaust super fast. So you can see this is a sketch right here, and you will be able to see these are the credits over here. Okay, daily drawing left, and you get credits on a daily basis here. Okay. Now, if you see this tool, okay, that is here. Take a look. Now, these are the elements here. You can include new elements, but even before I include new elements or I go to a new image, I can just drag and drop elements. Sorry, I started designing. So what I will do is I'll go to select. So here I clicked on select and you can do it with mouse also. See, I'll put it here. See, it has taken it like another starfish. There is a background. I'll keep it here. See, it's enlightening that size, that side. Now, I'll move this starfish over here. It will take as a different starfish. I'll move this element over here. It is looking different. Another starfish. Another starfish. Now, if you want to create something else, or here only, you want to use some other elements, you can go to icons and you can pick any icon and you can make use of it. But wait, we will do some item with paint. Now, See, another starfish came. So you can paint here. And why starfishes are coming here? Because this this content itself is for starfish. Now, how can we change that? See, jellyfishes, not starfish. I'm telling starfish, starfish. Swimming in the ocean, magical ambient light, beautiful rocks in the bottom. So we'll remove it and we will write. So now it's removed. Okay. अभी देखो कोई jellyfish वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. I will write. mm, Beautiful. Now see, as I write, it's working out over here. See, can you see this is exhausting also? See, my credits are significantly exhausting. Are you able to see it? My credits are significantly exhausting. Beautiful color flowers in a green garden. अभी इतना रखेंगे क्योंकि मेरा credits बहुत fast जा रहा है. Now, here also you can, just a second, let me select and delete. अरे 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 अरे. Sorry, we'll go to select and you can select and delete items. Just delete the unnecessary items and make use of other items for the right use. Let's delete everything. See, for delete also, it's taking credits. You can pan select, and okay, for selecting all items, it's not giving a delete option. See, if I drag these, it's working. Beautiful. I mean, for this aesthetic type of images, it's beautiful. You have used 70% of your daily credit. Okay, got it. So again, like mostly you can keep on. See, I mean, I'm just now I can include some icons, and as per my prompt on the top, it will just configure the icon. Let's say this dog. Now, of course, this dog has nothing to do with this. Where is the item? Yeah. See, now it will adjust the dog here. How cool, right? So we just dragged an element as a the dog, and it is adjusting over here. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, right? You can make it smaller. You can download it. Go to export, and you will be able to download. बहुत छोटा file है. You need the HD one. Anything. Now you need to change the prompt and then make changes. You can draw items after you change the prompt. Go to paint. It took the grass because what I painted was way wide. So didn't take it as a flower. Take it as a flower. Now you can upload also if you want to upload any element, anything for that matter. You can upload images also and then you can use it. So this is called Picasso. This is a good tool. There is another one called Midjourney. Midjourney doesn't even have a Midjourney doesn't even have beta usage. It no credits and all. It is only paid. Okay, many tools are only paid. These are the 2 3 you can use. Now let's okay see some chats. I have some chats. Okay, Ankush have shared some con. What is this, Ankush? Ideogram. Ideogram. Let's see what he has shared. Is it completely free? Okay, ideogram is for what exactly? It's with Discord Connect, is it? While you are using writing prompts, you are using symbols, hyphen, semicolon. Do these have a meaning? Yes, yes, it has meaning. So, see, the idea here is whatever the prompt you are willing to write, right? Make sure the prompt is understandable to the AI. I try to break down things accordingly and make it readable. Okay. So let's try to use, I think Ankush have shared something. I haven't explored ideogram. We better read the TNC. Okay, so let's explore this. I will copy from some our existing prompts. So the floating island that we created, we'll try to create the floating island. Let's generate. The screen size looks good. This can be a screen size. So this also you can keep ideogram, then Picasso sketch, then Mid Journey, Microsoft Image Generator or Image Creator, AI. This looks good also. Let's see how does it create. No, it didn't create like the way that created. Let's see. Ah, it is creating. It's not bad. Kind of similar. Not bad. Okay, okay. Ankush is telling it is giving you more credits compared to other ones. Acha. Good. This is good. This is not bad. Where is the credit item? Where is the credit number? Because I can't see the credits here. Credit should show up like there and all. Credits are showing up. Let's explore another prompt. Time is kind of same. We'll explore it in 16 is to 9. Time it's taking kind of same. It's not taking like more times and all. Robotic wildlife safari. Let's do it. I think it's based on the same LLM, same model. No problem. They must have some limits because nothing is free, actually, I can see. And that's good. That's okay. People who want to use it, let them buy and use it because they have developed the platform. So why not? We will now move to in video. Let it generate. We'll move to in video in the meantime. Now, see, video AI, the best is Sora. Sora. Okay. But again, Sora is not paid. Not only it's about paid. See, video AI hasn't yet evolved significantly. Nothing has, by the way, but it is still evolving to an extent. If you see the comparison, this is Sora technical documentation, and one can buy Sora and go ahead and get a subscription. Sora is from OpenAI. If you scroll down, this kind of videos you can create when it comes to Sora. Okay, take a look. Now, many of you would ask that, okay, a prompt is a stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm, glowing neon and animated city signage, right? She wears a black jacket, a long red dress, and black boots, okay, and carries a black purse. And continuation of prompt. Many pedestrians walk about. With this prompt, the so it creates the video, it doesn't have an audio. So how do you add whatever audio you want to put? You can just put it from the stock audio. You need to edit it. You can take it to Canva, or you can take it to let's say Wondershare, Filmora, or any other video editing tool, and from there you can put it there, like whatever is the prompt, whatever is the audio that you want to put, you can put it there. So this quality of video you can create when it comes to Sora. Sora is not bad actually. Sora is quite. uh, quite good. You can see the prompts, but it doesn't have any free version. This is again from OpenAI. Let's scroll down and see some more examples. Historical footage of California during gold rush. This you can see as a document, but to use Sora, you need to subscribe it. You can't use Sora without a subscription. When it comes to other tools, like InVideo is there, quite efficient, and it's only InVideo that you can use it for free. Not also free. It will give you this option of having a. Uh, it will give you this option of having a watermarked content. But again, in the free version, that is all you can do. Let me show you. So this created this image. Let's go to InVideo now. So you can write InVideo. InVideo, yeah, go to InVideo, and on InVideo, just go InVideo. On InVideo, you can just go to Easy Video Maker, this first one, AI. Click on Try InVideo. You can sign in. You would need to sign in. So I think I'm already signed in. I have several video prompts as well. Yeah. So let's create this one. Describe a thrilling adventure through the Himalayas. Start the journey on winding mountain roads, passing through picture square villages. Describe the trek up to snow covered peak, camping under the stars, and walking up to a breathtaking sunshine or sunrise. Include visuals of mountain landscape, colorful markets, and serene valleys. Let's go ahead. We'll drop that content. You can write any prompt like you saw with Sora also. Click on generate video. You can write up to 3000 characters, I think. Let me cross check. Yeah, I think 3000 characters or something. You can give a detailed prompt. That's not a problem. It will take time to come up. Okay. Till the time it creates, we will talk about a few things. Now, when you create AI content, see, my point for text AI, especially text AI, I would tell you or I would suggest you to keep it to a homework. And I would suggest you to keep it to like a R&D purpose or a support purpose rather than using it fully because there are some challenges. Okay. There are some challenges using only AI content, and those challenges are these, such as accuracy. Okay, you need to make sure that it is accurate, the content that you are using, especially in case of text content. Because visual content पे दिख जाता है बहुत जल्दी. Text content पे you need to realize, you need to read it well. Attribution. So if you use ChatGPT generated content in public or commercial setting, consider providing attribution to OpenAI or GPT, especially if content contributes significantly to your work. So many a time what happens if you're using AI content, it's a compliance issue. Okay, so you need to make sure in your work environment they are aware that you are using AI content, they appreciate AI, or especially OpenAI or ChatGPT. Then avoid harm. Do not use ChatGPT to generate content that promotes harm, violence, discrimination, or illegal activities. Privacy. Do not share personal information or sensitive information conversation with ChatGPT. ये सब सुनने में बहुत ही low लग रहा होगा, but believe me, it's a very serious case. You would know if you work in a big company. Okay, big company in the sense in an MNC, they are extremely cautious about it. If they get to know that you are giving some company information to ChatGPT and you're generating content, it's a next level case. They literally can take actions about it and severe action. So don't do it until unless your organization promotes it. Even you don't do it, don't provide company information to OpenAI and all. By the way, ChatGPT keeps your information wherein Copilot doesn't keep your information. Okay, so don't go for using it for a very significant level of information. You can keep it in silos and or not even give it. Just give exemplary information and get the content. created or get help with the content. Transparency, if you use GPT in a way that might not be immediately clear to others, example, automated responses, consider disclosing that content is generated by AI. So this have API. Now, if you go chat GPT, एपीआई एपीआई पे क्या होता है ना, बहुत सारे चैट बॉट्स होते हैं, वो चैट बॉट पे ना चैट जीपीटी और डिफरेंट अदर प्लेटफॉर्म को लगाया जाता है, लाइक इट इज इंटीग्रेटेड. First of all, what we do is we make sure we are feeding GPT well in terms of the what exactly they have to answer. I will show you. You would be able to see there is an FAQ right now. When it comes to FAQ, when it comes to FAQs, right, you need to understand these FAQ answers we can write, and we ChatGPT can be aware of it. More and more FAQs answers we can write, and ChatGPT can be aware of it. We can use it as a chatbot. It would do auto chatting, but there it's better to give a disclosure that we are using chat gpt. So anything that sounds little not so conclusive, not so inclusive or exclusive, they understand that it's a gpt content or it's an AI content. Context and use. Consider context and intent to use of content. Ensure that GPT generated content is appropriate. Yeah, I just talked about it. Many a times it would have errors. Many a times it would have errors. You need to correct it before you use. Monitoring and review. Regularly review and monitor GPT generated content. Feedback and management. Yeah. So that's all. Now going ahead with the in video. Now it is asking audience. What is the kind of audience? Let's say adventure seekers. You can also go do it to nature lover or whatever. Then look and feel. Let's say epic. Platform YouTube. Let's continue. Now it will generate that. Any questions in the meantime? Go ahead. We'll close it after this. Any questions? So Sora is something you can use, and InVideo is something you can use when it comes to paid GPT, paid video AI. Any questions, guys? Okay. Meanwhile, I request you to write how was the session, not in the chat. I will share a link. It's on the LinkedIn. Please write how was the session. Uh, so we can keep it to LinkedIn. Still generating. So this is the link I have dropped. Let it generate. We'll go to the link. Now this is the post that Saket have done. You can write how was the session. You can like this also. You can just write good, bad, whatever you think, great. So you can just write it. Please feel free to write. The video is created. So we will just zoom it and we'll see the video now. Audio won't be there. You need to stick the, okay, they have now here audio. Okay, I think, okay, in video is giving audio included. I will just share the audio. Superb. Let's
Journey, where the air grows thinner with every
yeah.
of embarking on a journey, where the air grows thinner with every twist and turn of the road. The Himalayas, a majestic realm of towering peaks and deep valleys, beckon the hearts of those who seek not just views, but vistas that challenge the spirit. The journey begins on serpentine mountain roads, each bend presenting a panorama more striking than the last. Picture villages perched precariously on cliffs, their vibrant prayer flags fluttering like whispers against the vast blue sky. The hum of daily life here plays a rhythmic backdrop to the natural grandeur, as markets brim with the vivid hues of handcrafted goods and the earthy scents of local spices. As the road ascends, the true adventure takes shape underfoot. Trading 4 wheels for 2 sturdy legs, the trek towards the snow-capped peaks begins. Each step on the rugged path is a dialogue between earth and soul, with the crunch of gravel underfoot punctuating every
Still loading. It takes time actually to create it. You can also get it in 1040. अभी तो इसी पे लोड नहीं हो रहा है, 1040 पे और टाइम लगेगा.
path is a dialogue between earth and soul, with the crunch of gravel underfoot punctuating every thought. The air, crisp and biting, fills the lungs with the raw essence of nature untamed. Nightfall brings a celestial performance. Under a tapestry of stars, campfires crackle as tales of mountain lore and personal conquests weave through the flames. Wrapped in the cocoon of a sleeping bag, the world feels simple, yet profoundly vast. The pre-dawn darkness is an invitation to witness the transformation of the world. As the first rays of sunlight breach the horizon, they paint the snow in hues of amber and gold. This is not just a sunrise, it's a reward earned by those who dare to venture beyond the comfort of the familiar. Reflecting on the journey, it becomes clear that the mountains offer more than challenges. They offer a transformation. Each step, each breath, and each moment in the high altitudes reshapes perspectives, turning adventurers not just into storytellers, but into custodians of the wild, advocates for the awe-inspiring. So, as the descent begins, the heart carries a new rhythm, the mind dances with fresh insights, and the spirit, well, it soars, forever changed by the lofty heights of the Himalayas.
So these and all will come. You need to buy subscription to make sure that you are uh, editing the uh, watermark. You are removing the in video branding. Sir, how many videos can we make? You can make a number of videos, but you will have watermark and in video. So click on edit. Now you can get to in video edit. Abhi kya hoga? Every screen, no, every screen that you have, you can edit every screen. You can delete some screen. You can swipe some screen. You would say, what about the audio? Click on upload media. Get a different audio. Click on edit script. See, here is the script. You can upload an audio, you can edit the, see, you can just write what you want to say for a specific for a specific screen. It's that cool. It's a very good tool. You can actually get a subscription and use it. It's quite an efficient tool. Any questions do you people have? And let me know. Please drop your comments in this. It will help us to keep up. It will help us to keep up, and feel free to like the post and feel free to comment in the post. I have dropped the link in the chat. I will redo it. I will also share these with you so you people are able to follow up when it comes to the uh, links of the all of these platforms. So I'll share this with you, this one, and I'll also share this one with you. Any questions, guys? Okay, you can regenerate if you didn't like it. You can regenerate directly, and you can edit directly, or you can export. Export means you are downloading it, or you can reprompt. See, delete the second screen. It's not really relevant. You can reprompt anything. Change the second screen to Himalayas, that thing. Provided it can, it will do it. It will surely have some stock images or stock files, and it will do it. Any questions? Yeah, try if at all you can remove. It says you can remove watermarks, but I don't think so क्योंकि देखो ये रहा तो बोल रहे हैं ऐसे लेकिन it needs subscription. You need to upgrade if you want to remove watermark. So what is free? Up to 4K you have. So normal is free. Normal stock watermarks. Yeah. Now you can. Oh, 1080 good. So go ahead and export. Okay. Any questions, guys? Sir, we'll get the PDF links that on. Yeah, so this is on 100x drive. I will share it with you. I think Santosh will share it with you because this has the links, or else I would create a mind map and I will share all the links with you. Not a big deal. And this too you will get anyway. Okay, guys, I have dropped this post. Please comment on this. However you enjoyed the session, comment on this and like the post. It will help us. And I'll ask last time if you have any questions, or else we can wind up. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed the session, everyone. See you people on Saturday. Feel free to comment on that link and yeah, have a good time and see you on Saturday. Thank you, everyone. Signing off.